Hi, this is Queen, Head of Customer Success here in AEvent. In this video, we will be connecting your streaming platform. Now, why is this important? Before we create your first campaign, the very first integration we need to connect is your streaming platform. This tells AEvent how your event will be delivered and unlocks the timeline templates you'll be able to choose from later. So let me show you how to set it up. First, we need to do is to go to the integrations panel. It's this one here on the left hand side. This is where you'll see all your available connection options. Currently, I have this clicked event delivery platform. So this is what you'll see here. Now, as you can see, we currently have AStream and Zoom connected for our streaming platform. If you want to integrate GoToWebinar, just have to click on Add Integration, search for GoToWebinar, click on the drop down, and then click on Add Integration. You will then be prompted for the name of the integration or the integration name. You can label it however you want, but if in any case you'll be connecting other accounts in the future, it would be best to label this properly. So if this is your first GoToWebinar account that you'll be connecting, just add a number 1 or anything identifiable so that you can easily identify which account you will be using for your campaign. If this is your second account that you'll be connecting, just put in a number 2 or anything you prefer. Once you're satisfied, you just have to click on connect. Now, if you are logged into your account, you will just be prompted to authorize it. If you are not, you will be prompted for your login information. So for AStream, if you are on a basic plan or if you'll be using an evergreen delivery, AStream is AEvent's native evergreen delivery system. If you click on AStream from the list, if you don't have it added, you just have to look for it here. Click on Add Integration, then AStream. Click on the drop down and then click on Add Integration. Now for the Zoom, you can integrate your Zoom account. We already have it integrated here. Like I've shown you earlier with AStream and GoToWebinar, you just have to click on Add Integration, search for the platform, and then click on Add Integration. Now, for example, this will be the second one since we already have one already integrated. This will be the second account. I named it Zoom 2. Click on Connect. Now, since I am not logged into this specific account, I will be prompted to log in. And once I am logged in, it will prompt me to authorize access to AEvent. This is exactly how it would look like. So I'm being prompted to log in. That's how it will prompt you on your end if you're not logged into the Zoom account you want to integrate. Now for GoToWebinar, we already discussed it earlier. I've shown you how to connect it. So it's the same process, connect it and authorize it. Once added, you just have to go to the campaign that you want to use. For example, this one. And if we go to the integration section of that campaign, you'll see here the different integrations we have integrated to your AEvent account. And from here, you can enable the streaming platform you want to use. So currently, I have this AStream account enabled for this specific campaign. Now, for you to confirm if your integrations are working, you simply have to go back to the integrations here. And then you just have to click on the test button for each integration. So let's test this one. And as you can see, we have established successful connection between AEvent and AStream. Let's go to webinar as well. Successful connection as well. That's how easy it is to test if the connection between the two applications are successful. So in the next video, we'll connect your other key tools like your CRM, your email marketing platform, SMS provider, and voicemail tools. After that, we'll create your first campaign with everything already wired up. Let's move on and I'll see you there.